Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Comma Separator tool for free without any subscription or any hassle. It's pretty easy. First of all, you have to type in like Comma Separator Tool, COMMA, commaseparatortool.com. So here is the interface of the website. So right now here you can see there is a section where it says how you can use the Comma Separator tool. So here is some functionality, and below that here is some delimiter, so you can choose anything you want. So here is another section where you can find additional features, like you can convert TSV to CSV files or CSV to TSV files, add quotation, add double quotation, HTML table generator from CSV, generate JSON from CSV, anything, even Python. You can also convert Python codes here also, even SQL codes also. So right now I will show you how you can transform any data, like from a column data to comma separated list. So what you can do, you can upload a CSV or TXT file from here, or you can copy and paste and just paste here like this. Okay, so right now I will show you how you can convert a CSV or TXT file to comma separated list. So I will open okay, so right now I will open a CSV file. Here is the CSV file. So here select on this and click open, and this is the CSV file. The content of that CSV file appears here. So right now I want to add comma with each line. So if I click on this button, like it says add comma to each line, it will add comma, or even I can click the convert button, it will add comma to it. So right now I will click add comma to each line, and you see that the tool create a comma separated list here. So then now you can copy the data to your clipboard and then paste it to another file or another space where you want, or you can download this file as CSV or TXT, right? So if you click on the download button, you can have three options, which is CSV, TSV or TXT. Any version you want, you can go with that. So it's pretty simple. So right now I will show another thing, like the convert. Even if you click the convert button, it will convert them in. So right now if you want to add another thing, like not comma, in another like pipe or semicolon, anything you want, you need to first clear the output and also clear the input and also reload the page to work it properly. Then you upload. This time I will upload a text file. So here is the text file, and I will select at the rate maybe. So right now I will click the convert button, then it will add the at the rate at the end of each line in place of comma. So again, you can download this data, or you can copy to it to clipboard. Okay, so here is another option, cool feature, which is convert to column. So if you want to convert this list into column, so you can do that by clicking that, and it will become column again. Okay, so this is how you can convert any comma list file to convert to column feature using convert to column feature. So I will upload a file like text document. So this is into column feature, right? This is in column wise data. So first I will select delimiter from here. So here is the comma, and I am converted to a comma list. Okay, so then I will copy just to show you how you can use this. So I clear output, clear input, again reload the page and paste it here. And now I want to convert this comma list into a column. So I will click that convert to column. It will convert it in a column way. So you can do the same. Just you need to do one thing. If you face any glitch or any issue, just reload the page, clear output, clear input, and always remember the output files are downloadable. So you can download the file as a there is a 3 format, and also you can convert them which format you want. So right now I will clear the input output. You can also use these features also. And one thing I forget to mention about it, that if you place any text here, you will see word count and a character count here at the top right corner. So it will also show you how many words or how many characters are there. So it is quite convenient for some of the user to know. If you don't want to convert any lines or commas, just want to know the word count, or sometimes we need to know the word count, like if you write a meta description which should be under 160 character, so then you can use this feature, use this tool to know the word count or even characters, how many characters are there. You can convert it to uppercase You can click on uppercase, it will convert to uppercase. If you click the lowercase, it will convert to lowercase. If you want to capitalize the data, it will capitalize. So you can do anything you want with this tool. Or if you need any feature, like we don't provide it, but you need it, so you can contact with us. You can go to this contact us page, and here you can leave us a mail that you need feature in this tool. So we will try to add that feature in it too. Another thing you can do, if you like the tool, if it helps you, then you can share it with your friends and family by here is all popular social media. So if you want, you can also copy the link and share it to your friends. So here is also some FAQs. If you want any queries, you can also find it here, how you can convert columns into comma separator lists and all. You have a contact page link here, so you can contact us anytime you want. Just want to share your thought, you need any particular feature, you can ask us. So if you want, I like to share with you, I mean to say that I like to show you one more feature, like URL encoder decoder. So let me take this URL and put it into input, and scroll down, and I'll say click on URL encoder. This will encode a URL, and if you want to decode it, just copy clipboard, clear, paste here, and use the decode URL decoder. It will decode your URL. So you can use any kind of feature you want to use, which will help your work. So please share your feedback with us about this tool. This is a completely new tool, I developed it personally. You can share your suggestion throughout the comments section. Actually we don't have any comment section. You can suggest your thoughts throughout our contact us page. You can share your thoughts, and we will add them as a testimonial customer review. We will add a testimonial section, we will put them on that. Thank you for watching this video.